So today we're gonna do something a little bit different on my channel. So I just dropped my oldest daughter off at school. She had a dentist appointment today. I am back home. So what I want to do, I kind of want to surprise her. Her birthday was this past weekend. We did a lot of festivities. I'm sorry, her birthday was this past Thursday. And we did a lot of stuff for her birthday over the weekend. But I got these paint canvases in, so I kind of wanted to do like a paint and sip surprise. I think she'll really like that. She loves painting. So I have a million balloons. I have a million party supplies from previous events that I've done in the past. So I'm gonna try and surprise her this evening. It is now currently 11 o'clock. She gets home at about 2:30. So we have to really move fast. I have some cleaning to do, and then I'm gonna try and decorate and get the house all cutesy-fied for her when she gets home. I'm gonna try not to go out to spend any money. I'm just gonna use what I already have here. I really don't have time to go out with the amount of stuff that I have to do before she gets home. So come on, y'all, let's go ahead and get this together for her. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Nikki, and as I stated in the intro, we are doing something a little different today on this channel. I am going to start out by cleaning the kitchen before my daughter gets home. And I am really in a rush this day, you guys, trying to get this all done. I had a lot to do this day. This little sponge here in my hand, I got that from the Dollar Tree, y'all. I absolutely love this sponge for cleaning out my sink. And this is a quick grocery haul that I did. This video actually jumps around a little bit, so this is actually the next night. I wanted to hold off on the birthday surprise for you guys at the end, so you will see that at the end. But this is actually a quick little grocery haul that I did the next night. So the sink is clean, and I'm getting ready to wash all my fruits and veggies so that I can put them away. I got these waters and also these containers that are sitting on the stove, all came from the Dollar Tree. I am going to attempt to organize my refrigerator, and I'm going to use those containers to do so. And this is just some of the stuff that I got. I did do a Walmart pickup, a Sam's Club pickup, and then also a Dollar Tree run. And on the other side of the table, which I think that clip got cut out, but on the other side, I also went to the meat store as well. And to clean my fruits and veggies, I just use water and a little bit of white vinegar, distilled white vinegar. And yes, I do dump everything all in there together. I do not separate. They're all getting cleaned together. And for the refrigerator, I am actually just using the Jaws kitchen cleaner to clean the refrigerator. I didn't want to use anything really strong. And this actually does a perfect job cleaning the refrigerator. I do like to pre-cut some of my veggies because if not, they will just sit there until they go bad. But I've noticed that my family tends to eat them more when everything is prepared. These doors were so filthy. They had sticky stuff all in it from a bunch of condiments and stuff that had spilled all over the place. And here is the finished look. It's definitely not perfect, but it definitely does work for what we need. Alright, so now we are going back to the day before, and I am now about to start getting ready for my daughter's painting sit. I'm just tidying up what little bit of mess that I did have in the living room, And then I'm going to move my coffee table out and bring my dining table in. I actually had a flower backdrop that I wanted to put up, but I could not find that thing anywhere. I probably searched for it for about a whole hour and I just couldn't find it, so I just decided to make this work. It's just the pink sheets were actually curtains that she had up in her old bedroom in her old house, and then I just put these gold curtains up there with it as well. Everything that you will see in this video I already had on hand. I did not go out and purchase anything extra. This is just stuff that I had from previous events. And I did blow up the balloons, some of the balloons, the night before and put them in trash bags, so it'll be easier for me. And I just tell y'all that she was very surprised when she came home. She had the biggest smile on her face, which I absolutely love surprising my kids. I'm pretty sure they're going to hate it when they get older, but for now I am definitely going to enjoy it while they are still young. These butterflies are so cute. I'm just sticking my little Dollar Tree flowers in here just to give a little bit more something, make it look a little bit prettier. Now the canvases and the little paint stands, I actually did get those in from Amazon, so that is the one thing that I did order. I had everything else as far as decor. Those paint canvases, you guys, were amazing. We had so much fun painting. And yes, we were snacking on fruits and drinking our little fake champagne, which was just sparkling rosé. And here is the finished look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!